Okay, so welcome to the GoPro review. This is, my name's Noah from Go Noddy, and we are today unboxing the 13 Black GoPro 13 Black. And here we go for the first time that we've opened up this. It came in a very nice package, it all wrapped up here by itself. Unfortunately, I've ripped that all off already. Came in this paper here. Thank you, Mr. GoPro, or Miss GoPro, or they GoPro. Jesus. I don't think it's meant to be that tough. Oh, it is. Oh. So here we go, and it comes out the box like so, and here we are. This is the GoPro casting, very beautiful. Looks like something that's just come off an aeroplane, and it unfortunately doesn't have my Singapore noodles. It has this in, and it comes like this. And we have the camera here with the lens protectors on, and here we get a USB-C cable, very handy, and then some more bits of plastic here like so, and a nice screwy thing that will go attached to something else, and then we get this thing here, which I think this is the battery. Yes, you need this. And finally we have another piece of plastic. Great. Okay, and so here we go with the GoPro, and it's going to take off the front here to be able to show the first lens, and then here we go on the second lens here, and then we're going to take off this white bit around the front here so that it's all ready to be used. And and it says on the back here, very, very handily, your camera must be updated before you can use it. So don't forget that. And then we've got a nice button on the top here. And yeah, I hope you like the review. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now, see you next week.